Okay, good morning to all of you. Good morning, Dhairya. Good morning, Sriram. Good morning, Shlok. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, Raisha. Hello. Okay, so let us get started, everyone. Good morning, Prem. Very good morning to all of you. Quickly, all of you can join the class. Let me know the voice is clear and the screen is clear to everyone. Good morning, Beta. Let me know the voice is clear and the screen is clear to everyone. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning Shlok. So let us get started everyone with the today's session. कल हम लोग यहाँ पे मॉडल पेपर हमने स्टार्ट किया था and we had did completed GK. हमने GK complete कर लिया था. Then we were having some issues with the network, some issues with the server and all. तो उसके कारण हमने इसके बाद उसको discontinue कर लिया था. So yesterday we have already completed the 25 question. In this class today, in the today's class, we have to start with English section. Okay, question number 30 से हम यहाँ पे start करने वाले हैं. So without any further delays, let us get started everyone with the question number 30. Question number 30 से हम यहाँ पे discuss करने जा रहे हैं. So let us get started. English section mainly we are going to proceed with. Okay, so let us get started everyone with the English section. Okay, so all of you can give your answers in the chat. Okay, so let us get started everyone. The first question we have is the word unique means the same as ordinary, highly qualified, unusual or lightened. 9:30 तक class रहेगी. Okay, what is the meaning of the word unique? Unique word का meaning क्या? What is the meaning of the word unique? So unique word everyone will keep in mind. Unique word का मतलब क्या होता है? The word unique primarily means unusual. कोई भी चीज जो बहुत ही different है, okay? Like someone is having a very different handwriting, so we can say the person is having a unique handwriting. So what is the meaning of unique? Unique का मतलब क्या होता है? The word unique actually means for something that is very different, जो बहुत ही different हो, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it unique. So correct answer for the question is option C. Question number 31. Blank oranges are grown in Nagpur. We have to supply the correct article A and the or no article. What will be the right answer here? Blank oranges are grown in Nagpur. What will be the correct answer? Blank oranges are grown in Nagpur. Okay, so have a look. We are saying blank oranges are grown in Nagpur. So everyone, when we are talking about oranges, when we are talking about what? When we are talking about oranges, हम किसके बारे में बात करें? About what we are talking? Oranges is a plural form. What is oranges? Oranges is a plural form. We are talking about a plural form. So we must always keep in mind that in the plural form, जब भी हमेशा क्या present होगा, we will be having a plural form. तो उनमें कभी भी हम a या n का यूज नहीं करेंगे. आर्टिकल a and आर्टिकल n they are always used for singular. उनको हम हमेशा किस लिए यूज करते हैं? We use them for singular. They are never used for plural. So oranges. Okay, what is given over here? Oranges is given over here. So blank oranges are grown in Nagpur. Correct answer will be option C. The next question, question number 33. She wants to become blank engineer. What will be the correct answer? She wants to become blank engineer. A and the no article. What is going to be the right answer here? She wants to become blank engineer. She wants to become blank engineer. Okay. Yes. So everyone, we are saying she wants to become blank engineer. We are talking about what? We are talking about the word engineer. हम किसके बारे में बात करें? We are talking about the word engineer here. Okay. So if we will have a look at the word engineer, engineer किससे start होता है? Engineer starts with E. What does engineer starts from? Engineer starts with E. E से word engineer start होता है. With E, the article always we will be using in N. So what will be the correct answer here? The correct answer for the question will be N. She wants to become an engineer. So correct answer होगा option B. Question number 33. The next one we have is I bought a new shirt blank my birthday. Supply the correct preposition with on to it. I bought a new shirt blank my birthday. What will be the correct answer? I bought a new shirt blank my birthday. First is Shlok, second is Sarvesh, third we have is Shriram. Good all of you. Next we have is Abhijit, Dash is also there. The video is stopped. Okay, play. It needs to, yes, it is stopped. Okay, we'll turn it off. चलिए ऐसे ही solve कर रहे हैं हम. Yes. So I bought a new shirt blank my birthday. What will be the correct answer? I bought a new shirt on my birthday. My birthday is a particular day. When I'm saying my birthday, what it is? It's a particular day. And for the particular days, हम हमेशा क्या use करते हैं? We always use the preposition on. Okay, what do we use? We always use the preposition on. So correct answer for the question is option B. Question number 35, 34. The book is kept blank the table. 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 What will be the correct answer? In the table, into the table, on the table, or with the table? The book is kept blank the table. What is going to be the correct answer? So the book is kept. What we have to do? ओके हमको क्या करना है वी हैव टू टेल द पोजीशन यहाँ पे हमको क्या बताना है वी हैव टू टेल द position of this book. So what is the article we are going to use? Article we will be using is on. The book is kept on the table. What we are going to say? We will be saying the book is kept on the table. What will be the correct answer here? The right answer we will be getting for the question is the book is kept on the table. Okay, तो ये आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है. The next question after this, when did you wake up in the morning? Supply and identify the correct sentence. When did you wake up in the morning? We have to identify the correct sentence, declarative, imperative, exclamatory or interrogative. When did you wake up in the morning? When did you wake up in the morning? What will be the correct answer here? What kind of sentence this is? Declarative, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory? Everyone is correct over here. What kind of sentence this is? This is an interrogative sentence. When did you wake up in the morning? The sentence is asking a question. Sentence क्या कर रहा है? This sentence is asking a question. Any sentence that asks a question. कोई भी ऐसा sentence जो क्या करता है कोई भी ऐसा sentence जो कोई question raise करता है okay which is raising a question. All such sentences are referred to as interrogative sentences. सभी sentences को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them interrogative sentence. So right answer is option D. Question number 36. My father looks handsome in his new blank. My father looks handsome in his new blank suit, dress or gown. My father looks handsome in his new suit, dress or gown. Suit, suite, dress or gown. The first correct answer is given by Sridham, second is Raisha, then Tinku, then Shlok is also correct, colors Roto India, Darsh, Abhijit, all of you are correct, okay. Sarvesh C nahi hoga, okay. My father looks handsome. So we are talking about father. Father is a masculine gender. What is father? Father is a masculine gender. Dress and gown are attire for feminine gender. Dress and gown किसके attires होते हैं? They are the attires for feminine gender. We are talking about masculine gender. So correct answer will be option A, suit. My father looks handsome in his suit. What is the meaning of option B? Option B is SUITE. Suite. इसको हम कैसे read करते हैं? It is read as suite. So suite is like a room in a hotel or something. Okay, that is suite. So correct answer is option A here. Question number 38. What is the feminine of horse? What is the feminine gender for horse? Okay, Kanishka, it's you. What is the feminine for horse? Mare, hart, hare, or hearse? What is the feminine gender of horse? Feminine, mare, hart, hare, or horse? What will be the correct answer? First we have is Colors Roto India, then we have Shriram, Sarvesh, Raisha, Shlok, Darsh, Aditya, Abhijit, Vaibhav, Avneet, Heria. All of you are correct. What is the feminine gender of horse? The feminine gender of horse is mare. Horse का feminine gender क्या है? The feminine gender of horse is mare. So correct answer for the question is option A. The next question, which answer shows a pair of words that rhyme? Which of the following answer shows a pair of rhyming words? Girl, kitten, drum, crumb, glass, pencil, weather, stone. Which pair of words are rhyming words? इनमें से कौन से words जो mention है? They are rhyming words. Which of the words mentioned in this are rhyming words? This we have to tell. Option A, B, C or D. What will be the correct answer? Yes, all of you. Okay, good everyone. All of you are correct here. What is the right answer for question? The correct answer we have for the question is option A. What is the correct answer? Oh, sorry, option B. What is the correct answer? Drum and crumb. Okay. हमारे correct words यहाँ पे क्या हैं? The correct words that we have. Now the camera is fine. We can work with that. Yeah. So drum and crumb. What are a pair of rhyming words? Rhyming words यहाँ पे क्या है? You can have a look. Drum and crumb. They are the rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words which have a similar sound. ऐसे सभी words जिनमें क्या present होता है? All the words that contain a very similar kind of sound, all these words are called as rhyming words. So drum and crumb, they are the rhyming words. The next question we have is Gary's mom asked blank to clean the garage. Gary's mom asked blank to clean the garage. What is to be done here? We have to supply the pronoun. हमको क्या करना है? We have to supply the pronoun here. Gary's mom asked blank to clean the garage. So we are talking about what? We are talking about a boy named Gary. So what will be the correct pronoun here? Correct. First answer here is given by Darsh. Second we have is Prem, then Shlok, Hemishri. All of you are correct. Gary's mom asked blank to clean the garage. Gary's mom asked him to clean the garage. क्या correct answer होगा? Option B. Gary's mom asked him to clean the garage. So correct answer for the question is option B. Next question, question number 40. Look at the standing person. He is a popular singer. Look at the standing person. He is a popular singer. What is to be done here? We have to tell the adjective. हमको क्या बताना है यहाँ पे? We have to tell what is going to be the correct adjective in this sentence. Look at the standing person. He is a popular singer. Adjective. Look, standing, he, singer. Good. Shlok is right. Avni is right. Then Kanishka is also right. Abhijit is also correct. Vaibhav, beta D nahi hoga. How is singer adjective? Singer is not adjective. What will be the right answer? Standing. Adjective क्या होते हैं? The words that tell us like a speciality or quality of something. We call all those words as adjective. उन सभी को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them adjective. So standing here. What is the adjective? The correct answer for the question is option B, standing. Standing word in this one is adjective. Next one is the question number 41. My father blank books to money. My father blank books to money. Prefer is prefer, prefers are prefer. My father blank books to money. Hello Arav, good morning. What will be the correct answer? First is Hemashri, second is Prem, third is Naina, then colors is also right here. Aisha, Darsh, Bhavya, all of you are correct. Okay, my father blank books to money. My father prefers books to money. क्या correct answer होगा यहाँ पे? The correct answer will be my father prefers books to money, making option C as the correct answer. Question number 42. She blank bought a dress at a very reasonable rate. She bought dress. She blank bought dress at a very reasonable rate. Been, am, does, has. What is the correct answer? Been, am, does, has. What is the correct answer? First we have Sriram, second we have Shlok, then Hemishri is also correct, Vaibhav is also correct. Prem, Raisha, Sriram, Darsh, Yashash. Good morning, Pratyaksh. All of you are correct over here. What is the correct answer? She has bought a dress at a very reasonable rate. Okay, she has bought a dress at a very reasonable rate. So what will be the correct answer for question option D? हमारा यहाँ पे correct answer होगा. She has bought a dress at a very reasonable rate, making option D as the correct answer. Question number 43. This story seems blank captivating. This story seems blank captivating, much more lot very. Good morning, Bhavya. This story seems blank captivating, much more lot very. What will be the correct answer? This story seems blank captivating. Good. All of you are right here. Okay. What will be the correct answer? This story is very captivating. Okay. This story is very captivating. So what will come here? Option D will come here. This story is very captivating. Have a look, Aditya beta. You had earlier answered more. More हम यहाँ पे क्यों use नहीं करेंगे? Like much, more, many. Okay. So they are what? They are the forms of adjective, degrees of comparison. Comparison के लिए हम उसको use करते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे दिस इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री वी आर नॉट मेकिंग अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू और मोर थिंग्स तो यहाँ पे मच और मोर तो आएगा ही नहीं सो करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी दिस स्टोरी सीम्स वेरी कैप्टिवेटिंग मेकिंग ऑप्शन डी एज द करेक्ट आंसर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 ब्लैंक ही इज थिन ही इज स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्लैंक ही इज थिन ही इज स्ट्रॉन्ग Blank, he is thin, he is strong, as, because, though, but. What will be the correct answer? Blank, he is thin, he is strong, as, because, though, but. What will be the correct answer? Good. Everyone is right here. Option C is correct. Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Option C. Though he is thin, he is strong. What is the right answer? Option C हमारा correct answer होगा. Though he is thin, he is strong, making option C as the right answer. The next question, question number 45. Blank, that's really great news. Sorry, blank, that's really great news. You have to supply correct interjection. आपको क्या supply करना है? You have to supply correct interjection. Blank, that's really great news. Hey, ah, ye, wow. What will be the correct answer? Blank, that's a really great news. What will be the correct answer? All of you are answering option D. So that is correct. Okay, wow. That's a really great news. What will be the correct answer? Correct answer we'll be having here is wow. That's a really great news. Making option D as the correct answer. Good. Okay. Question number 46. Blank. I blank studied in this school since 1975. I blank studied in this school since 1975. I will study, I have been studying, I study or studied. I blank study in this school since 1975. सबसे important part जो इस question में हमको mentioned है that we have to focus on is since. The very important part we have in this question is since. If you'll pay attention to this word, that is since, half of your queries will get resolved here, okay? Because since is given, तो since यहाँ पे क्या signify करता है? Since signifies that I am studying. Since मतलब I started to do something in the past and I'm still doing it. मैं अभी भी उसको कर रही हूँ. Like I started teaching like this years ago, so I have started doing something in past and I'm still doing it. Like I'm studying in this school since 4 years. I'm living here since last 5 years. So I started doing something in past and I'm still doing it. So what will be the correct answer? I started studying in this school since 1975. Since is given है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Have been. I have been studying in this school since 1975. What will be the correct answer? I have been studying in this school since 1975. Question number 47, everyone, we have got. We can go to the amusement park with you. We can go to the amusement park with you. Can't we? Don't we? Can we? Aren't we? We can go to the amusement park with you. Can we? Don't we? Can't we? Aren't we? What will be the correct answer? First answer here is given by Sriram, then Prem, then Dharya is also correct, Aditya is also correct, Sarvesh, Darsh, and Avni, Hemishri, Colors, Raisha, all of you are correct. Good, Kanishka. Okay, so what is the correct answer? We can go to the amusement park with you. What is done here? हमको supply करना है question tag. What is to be done here? We have to supply question tag in this sentence. अगर हम sentence को देखेंगे, so sentence is positive. अगर sentence positive है, so question tag has to be negative. Correct? If sentence is positive, so question tag will be negative. What is the negative of can? Negative of can is can't, and pronoun क्या होगा? We. So it will become option A. We can go to the amusement park with you. Can't we? What is this going to become? We can go to the amusement park with you. Can't we? The next question. It has been established that you have to arrange the sentence in a proper sequence. Einstein was Q, although a great scientist, are weak in arithmetic, as right from his school days. Proper correct sequence क्या होगा? It has been established that Einstein was, although a great scientist, weak in arithmetic right from his school days. Correct sentence यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Okay. Anyone got the answer? First correct answer is Shriram. Shriram is right here. A नहीं होगा बेटा, S से start नहीं होगा. Okay, let us have a look. Also, we will try to arrange this. What is going to be the correct sequence? It has been established that although a great scientist, सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? It has been established that although a great scientist, okay, Einstein was weak in arithmetics right from his school days. So what we are going to say? It was established that Even though Einstein was a great scientist, but ever since from his school days, he was weak in maths. Okay, he was weak in mathematics. So correct order क्या आएगा? सबसे पहले, although a great scientist, that is Q. Next after this, Einstein, that is P. Next after this, weak in arithmetics, that is R. Right from his school days, that is 4. So what will be the correct sequence? Correct sequence will be QPRS. This is not 4. QPRS, that is given in option B. So what will be the correct answer for question option B? QPRS will be the correct answer. Okay, the next one after this we have is question number 49. Which of the following sentence has the antonym of sorrow? Which of the following sentence has the antonym of sorrow? He is a good boy. He is utterly selfish. I admire his broad outlook. I know him well enough. What is the antonym of narrow? इसमें से narrow का antonym क्या होगा? He is a good boy. He is utterly selfish. I admire his broad outlook and I know him well enough. Good. All of you are correct. So basically the question हमको बताना है a word or sentence that contains antonym of narrow. Narrow का मतलब something that's very like सकरा हिंदी में हम कहते हैं, okay, which is not having a lot of width. That is called as narrow. So basically the antonym of narrow is broad. What is the antonym of narrow? The antonym of narrow is broad. Narrow को हिंदी में कहते हैं हम सकरा and broad को कहते हैं चौड़ा. So something that is having very less width, that is narrow. Something that is having very big width, okay, that is referred to as broad. Broad आपको कहाँ given है? In option C. So we can say the correct answer is option C. I admire his broad outlook. What is going to be the correct answer? Right answer will be option C. I admire his broad outlook. And the last question we have from the English section is, animal who preys on another animal is called. An animal who preys on another animal is called predator, prey, posthumous, steal. An animal who preys on another animal is referred to as predator, prey, posthumous or steal. ऐसे animal को हम क्या कहेंगे? Good. All of you are correct. What is the right answer, बेटा? We'll be calling it predator, or animal who preys on another animal. ऐसा कोई animal जो दूसरे animals के ऊपर prey करता है, we call him predator. Okay, such an animal is referred to as predator. So right answer for the question is option A. Starting from the question number 51, everyone, we have the questions dealing with intelligence. इसके बाद जो भी questions होंगे वो सभी intelligence के questions हैं. So all of you mark your answers correctly. Blank is to vegetable the same way wheat is to. Blank is related to vegetable in the same way wheat is related to. Which of the following is correct pair of question marks? Plant, cake, barley, flour. Which of the following is correct over here? So we have to tell in place of question mark. It is like this. Question mark is to vegetable. It is related to wheat is to question mark. तो हमको बताना है दोनों question marks में क्या आएगा. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, what is a vegetable? Cabbage is a vegetable. What's a vegetable here? Good. All of you are right. C is the correct answer. और D नहीं होगा बेटा आरव. C is the correct one. B भी नहीं होगा श्लोक. So cabbage. What is cabbage? Cabbage is a vegetable. What is cabbage? Cabbage is a vegetable. And what is wheat? Wheat क्या है? Wheat are grains. Okay. What is wheat? Wheat है grain. So what will be the correct answer? The right answer for the question is option C. Wheat is to cabbage the same way. Sorry, cabbage is to vegetable the same way wheat is to grain, making option C as the correct answer. Question number 52. Choose the alternative that will help us to complete the series 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Choose the alternative that will help us to complete the series. कौन सा alternative series completion में help करेगा? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Okay. First we have is Sarvesh. Second is Prem. Third we have is Bhavya. Good, all of you. Yashash is also correct. Right, rule क्या follow हो रहा है? The rule is followed over here is the rule of square. What is the rule follow? The rule that we are following over here is the rule of squares. किसका rule follow हो रहा है? We are following here the rule of squares. So if you have a look, 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, 36 is the square of 7. So next हम क्या लेंगे? We'll be taking the square of 7. Square of 7 is 49. So correct answer for the question is option C, 49. 7 का square क्या होता है? Square of 7 is 49. So correct answer for the question will be 49. Similarly, the next question, choose the alternative that will continue the number series 1, 8, 27, 64 and 25. 1, 8, 27, 64 and 25. 216, 334, 261 and 343. What is going to be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer for the question? Okay, first answer here is given by Sarvesh, second is Shlok, third is Dash, then Bhavya, then Pratyaksh is correct, Sri Ram is correct, Shri is correct, Dharya is also correct, Prem, Avni, Kanishka, Abhijit, all of you are correct. Okay. So correct answer क्या होगा? We are following the pattern here. कौन सा pattern हम follow कर रहे हैं? We are taking up the pattern. We are following the pattern of cubes. हम किसका pattern follow कर रहे हैं? We are following up the pattern of cubes. So what is going to be the correct answer here? Cubes में अगर आप देखोगे, cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 8, cube of 3 27, cube of 4 64, cube of 5 125. What is going to be the cube of 6? Cube of 6 is 216. So correct answer क्या होगा? The right answer we'll be getting for the question is option A, 216. The next question, find the odd one among the following. We have to determine the odd one among the following: wheat, rice, mustard, gram. Which of these is the most different one? Which of these is the odd one among the following: wheat, rice, mustard, or gram? Which of these is the odd one among the following: wheat, rice, mustard, and gram? सीजन्स के बेसिस पे है. करेक्टली सेड प्रेम. Everyone, if you have a look, wheat, rye, mustard, gram, all of them are rabi crops. Wheat, mustard, gram, ये सभी किसके examples हैं? They are examples of rabi crop. Rice here is also called as paddy, and rice is an example of kharif crop. What is rice? Rice is an example of kharif crop. So what will be the correct answer? The right answer this way we will be having for the question is ऑप्शन बी राइस. राइस और पैडी किसका एग्जाम्पल होता है? खरीफ क्रॉप. खरीफ क्रॉप्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? खरीफ क्रॉप्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द मॉनसून सीजन क्रॉप्स. रबी क्रॉप्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द विंटर सीजन क्रॉप्स. एंड देन वी हैव द जेड क्रॉप्स. जेड क्रॉप्स आर द समर सीजन क्रॉप. समर सीजन के जो क्रॉप्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल देम जेड क्रॉप्स. सो दिस यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. Okay, the next question, question number 55. Find the odd one among the following. Find the odd one among the following: Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur, Nanda Devi. Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur, Nanda Devi. Which of these is the odd one? Very good. First answer is Sarvesh. Second is Prem. Third we have Sriram. Very good. Sriram is here. Sriram is third. Vaibhav is fourth. Then Shlok. Okay. What is the correct answer? Yashash, beta, have a look here. Which of these is correct? Aditya, have a look. Correct answer for the question is Nanda Devi. What is the correct answer for this question? The right answer we will be having for the question is Nanda Devi. Why is Nanda Devi the correct answer? The reason for that is Deccan, okay, Kas and Chota Nagpur. Deccan, Kas and Chota Nagpur. What are all three of them? ये तीनों ही क्या है? Deccan, Kas and Chota Nagpur. All the three of them are plateaus. What are they? All the three of them are plateaus. Deccan, Kas and Chota Nagpur. All the three of them. What are they? तीनों ही क्या है? तीनों ही plateaus हैं. But what is Nanda Devi? Nanda Devi is a mountain peak. What is Nanda Devi? Nanda Devi क्या है? Nanda Devi is a mountain peak. So that is why. What will be the correct answer for question? The right answer will be option D, because Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur, ये सभी plateaus हैं, and Nanda Devi is a mountain peak. The next question: which of the following describes the best relation between teacher, men, and women? Which of the following will describe the best relation between teacher, men, and women? It's a Venn diagram based question. You have to tell which of these expresses the best relation between teacher, men, and women. What will be the correct answer? Teacher, men and women. B. No. B क्यों होगा? B नहीं होगा. Aditya is right here. Arav is also right here. Okay, teacher, men and women. Prem is also correct here. So everyone, the region हमको यहाँ पे select करना है. What is going to be the correct answer? So have a look. Teacher, men and women. So we'll write it this way. We have teacher, we have men, and we have women. So some men are teacher and some women are teacher. क्या सभी men teacher होते हैं? Are all the teachers men? No, some teachers are women. Are all the teachers women? No, some teacher are men. अगर हम इसी को vice versa देखें, so are all men teacher? No, all the men are not teachers. Some men are engineers, some men are doctors, some men are players, some men are athletes. Similarly, are all the women teachers? क्या सभी women teachers हैं? No. Some women are teachers, some are doctors, some are students, some are lecturers, professors, dancers, singers, astronaut. Okay, so there is this situation, some and some wala situation hai. Whenever we get such kind of situation, the Venn diagram will be this one. Okay, कौन सा Venn diagram मिलेगा हमको? This is the Venn diagram we are going to get. The center one will indicate teacher. Center में क्या बताएगा? Teacher. The another one will indicate men and this one will indicate women. So teacher, men and women. What will be the correct answer? Right answer for the question will be option A. Correct answer यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Option A is the correct answer. Okay. So this we have to keep in mind. Question number 57. Arrange the following words in the alphabetical order and choose the one that will come first. We have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order and we have to select the one that's going to come first. Okay, सबसे पहले इनमें से कौन सा word आएगा? That we have to select, arrange them in the alphabetical order and select the one that will come first. Science, scrutiny, scripture or scramble. Science, scrutiny, scripture or scramble. So let us have a look that what is going to be the right answer. कैसे हम इसको solve करेंगे? We'll start with science. Okay, then we have scrutiny. Then we have scripture. Okay, what do we have next? Next we have is scripture. इसके बाद next हमारे पास क्या present है? Next after this we have scramble. ओके साइंस स्क्रूटिनी स्क्रिप्चर एंड स्क्रैम्बल अगर आप देखोगे एस एंड सी आर कॉमन इन ऑल ऑफ देम तो हम इनको यहाँ पे क्रॉस कर लेंगे नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस वी हैव आई आर 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 सो डेफिनेटली वी ऑल नो आई कम्स बिफोर आर अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले क्या आता है इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर आई कम्स फर्स्ट वर्ड साइंस विल बी फर्स्ट एंड वी हैड टू टेल फॉर द फर्स्ट वन ओनली हमको यही बताना था कि फर्स्ट वर्ड कौन सा था सो व्हाट विल बी द राइट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन द करेक्ट वन वी विल बी हैविंग फॉर द क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए राइट आंसर क्या होगा ऑप्शन ए साइंस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ओके सिमिलरली द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 58 arrange the following words in alphabetical order and choose the one that will come first intense intellect intent or intelligence intense intellect intent or intelligent. Which of these is first one that you have to tell? Intense, intellect, intent, or intelligent. Okay, good. All of you are solving and right answer is coming out to B. So let us have a check. I-N-T-E, I-N-T-E. First four alphabets in common in all of them. I-N-T-E, I-N-T-E, I-N-T-E. सभी में first four common है. हम इसको cross out कर देते हैं. I-N-T-E, I-N-T-E, I-N-T-E. Then we have N-L, N-L. यहाँ पे N-N है. यहाँ पे L-L है. So L-M-N. What does comes first? सबसे पहले क्या आता है? L-M-N. In the alphabetical order, L comes first. Okay, alphabetical order में पहले क्या आता है? In the alphabetical order, L comes first. So that means ये दोनों words हम देखेंगे. L-L is common, L-L is common. Then here we have E, here we have I. So E comes first. तो सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? Intellect. What is going to be the first one? The first one will be intellect. So making option B as the correct answer. Okay, the next question, question number 59. In a class of 40 students, A is ranked 15th from top, B is ranked 10th from the bottom. What is the rank of B from the top? In a class of 40 students, A is ranked 15th from the top, B is ranked 10th from the top bottom. What is the rank of B from the top? We have to tell what is the rank of B. B का rank क्या होगा from the top? Till 60 we are going to do. Okay, friend? 31st. Okay. Let us have a look how we are going to do it. In a class of 40 students, A का रैंक टॉप से दिया है, B का रैंक भी बॉटम से दिया है. हमको बताना है B का रैंक फ्रॉम द टॉप. What we have to tell? We have to tell the rank of B from the top. तो चलिए इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Whenever we have to find the rank, जब भी हमको क्या फाइंड करना होता है? Whenever we have to find the rank, for this we have a very simple formula. The formula says total minus rank प्लस वन. बहुत ही सिंपल फॉर्मूला है. जब भी आपको रैंक फाइंड करना होता है, सो यू हैव टू डू टोटल माइनस रैंक प्लस वन. टोटल कितना है? टोटल इज 50. व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ बी? रैंक ऑफ बी इज 10. So very simply we are going to do 40 minus 10 plus 1, that will be 30 plus 1, that's going to be 31. So what will be the rank of B from the top? Top से B का rank कितना होगा? If his rank from bottom is 10, then from top his rank is going to be 31. Okay, from top what it will be? So from top it will be 31. Yes बेटा धैर्य, evening में भी class रहती है. And in the evening we'll be having the class at 8:30. Okay, 8:30 पे evening में भी class रहती है, so you can join in the evening also. Okay, and the last question everyone we have for today is what is the result of following operation? Okay, what is the result of the following operation? You have to solve this. What is the result of following operation? Apply the rule of BODMAS. सबसे पहले हम सॉल्व करेंगे ब्रैकेट्स, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes, for the previous one, A was the right answer. Yashish. I think option is not clear in this. आप option note कर दीजिए. Okay, options are not given. Correct option is not given here. आपका जो option आ रहा है, आप अपना answer solve कीजिए as per the BODMAS rule. Imply the BODMAS. Yes, answer is not in the option. You write your own answer. 27. Okay, so BODMAS rule says we have to always start with bracket. हमको हमेशा किससे start करना होता है? With bracket. Bracket हम solve करेंगे. So it is 15 into 6 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 3. 6 plus 4 कितना होगा? We'll start with BODMAS. 6 plus 4 is how much? 6 plus 4 is 10. तो ये कितना होगा? 15 into 10 divided by 5 minus 3. Again, we have to start with division. Division हम करेंगे 10 divided by 5. How much we are going to get? 10 divided by 5. We'll be getting 2. So 15 into 2 minus 3. Next we'll be doing multiplication. So 15 into 2 कितना होगा? 15 into 2 will be 30. 30 minus 3. हाँ, आगे subtraction करेंगे. That will be 27. So what's going to be the correct answer? The right answer we are going to get will be 27. Okay, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer for this question will be 27. Okay, so this is how it had to be done. Good. Okay, so with this we have completed the today's targeted questions जो हमको यहाँ पे करने थे. Okay, so everyone, next class that we are going to have will be in the evening. Evening में class रहेगी and the timing of the evening class will be from 8:30 p.m. Okay, we will be having the class at what time in the evening? Evening में 8:30 p.m. पे we will be having the class. So you can join the class. Same channel पे आपको आना है and same way you can join the class. Okay, so now this session everyone we are going to sum up and in the evening we will be meeting once again. Okay. How come 60 divided by 60 is 1 Shri Ram? Where did you got 60? इसमें तो कहीं 60 आया ही नहीं. From where you got 60? There was nowhere 60 in the question. Okay, so इसी के आगे से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे श्लोक. Okay, चलिए. So now everyone we are going to sum up. Let's meet once again in the evening at 8:30 p.m. Okay, bye all of you and have a good day ahead.